In this video, traders, I'm going to show you how to count Elliott waves within 1 second or less. Hi, this is Amy from iTradeAIMS.net, and today I'm going to share with you an exciting news that now we can count Elliott waves within 1 second. Well, we've been able to do that for a while, but now all the AIMS members can do it as well. So if you're new to the channel, we have a method where we can count Elliott waves within 10 seconds or less. This method has been fully explained in our book, 10-Second Elliott Wave, and we are giving it away for free. So download the book in the description, and when you enter your email and go to the next page, you will also find a 3-part tutorial course which will teach you quickly how to count Elliott waves within 1 second. In that tutorial, you will also come across an indicator that actually prints Elliott wave count on the histogram. But before that, let's find out, if you don't know what is AIMS wave, let's have a quick look at what is AIMS wave. So AO was first introduced by Bill Williams of Profitunity.com. It's an indicator that helps you count Elliott wave within 10 seconds, and it also helps you assess the momentum of the market. So we went on later on and developed another indicator, or modified the original Awesome Oscillator into AIMS wave. This is the modified version of the famous indicator Awesome Oscillator. AIMS eWave is then the third generation indicator that prints wave counts on the histogram. So what we do is that we use the Awesome Oscillator to count waves, and then Steve from 4-exe.com went ahead and coded an indicator that actually counts those Elliott waves and prints it for you on the histogram. We've been using that indicator for a while. So what is the story of the AO? Well, AO stands for Awesome Oscillator. Bill Williams introduced it in the original course and called it the Awesome Oscillator. Bill Williams also called it Tomorrow's Wall Street Journal. Why is that? Because it lets you count Elliott waves, and if you know Elliott wave, you can predict the future wave with a degree of certainty. And you can do it within 10 seconds because it's on the chart. When you know the current wave, you can predict the next wave. What is AIMS wave then? So this indicator is introduced in our famous book, the 10-Second Elliott Wave. Again, download it quickly, it's free, and you will also get access to a 3-part video tutorial. The AIMS wave indicator allows you to count Elliott waves using the histogram, and the histogram displays wave 3, 4, and 5. Now with the AIMS wave indicator, it's not printed on the histogram, but now we have an indicator that I can actually, well, we had this indicator for about 6 or 7 years, but it was only available to download, from Steve's website. And thanks to Steve, he's always given 25% discount to all AIMS members, but I've always been asking him to allow AIMS members to download this indicator for free, because this will complement it, and finally he has agreed. So thank you very much, Steve. Now if you're a member of iTradeAIMS of any level, you can go to your dashboard, and as it's you can see it on the screen, you can go to the lesson 6 and download the indicator and attach it to the chart. It will show you wave count on the chart. So thank you very much to Steve, and anyone else. Enjoy the indicator, and if you haven't joined us, please go to iTradeAIMS.net and join us today. You'll get this indicator as part of AIMS Premium membership as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy this indicator. So do it.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if yes, please hit the like button. Do you have any questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Then leave a comment. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos. See you next time.